Hi everyone, this is Digiray from the Digiray Corporation. For this very first video, I'm going to show you how to disassemble the covers of a Spark scanner. Spark is a type of flash scanner. That's the reason why there's flash written on the top cover of the Spark scanner, as you can see right here. But if the serial number of the scanner, if there's AD in the serial number of a scanner, it means that the scanner is a Spark scanner. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, to start with, we have to first disassemble the top cover of the of the Spark scanner. To do that, you first have to remove the 4 screws of the scanner using a 3.0 hex kit. So remove the 4 screws. Now I've just removed the 4 screws. It's time to remove the top cover. To do that, just pull it outwards. And then lift it. Now that we've removed the top cover, it's time to remove the mold front assembly. So this is the mold front assembly. First, you have to remove the silicone gasket. So here you can see it, right? Just remove this. Yeah, that's it. After removing the gasket, we have to remove the screws underneath. These 4 screws using a screwdriver. So after removing these 4 screws, now you have to remove this spigot here. Right? Now you're ready to remove the mold front assembly. So to remove this mold front assembly, just place your hands underneath with a firm grip, and then when you do that, please be careful, be cautious of this LED cable. I've just adjusted the position of the scanner so that you guys can see this more clearly. Now remove the cable, LED cable, but cautiously and carefully. And it's time to remove the mold adapter. To do that, remove these 2 screws using a 4.0 screw hex key. So like this. First. So now I've just removed the 2 screws using a 4.0 hex key. And it's time to remove the 5 screws using a 3.0 hex key. Starting from here. So now I've removed the 5 screws. Time to remove the mold adapter. So one thing here is be careful of this cable. And then take it out. I've just completed the removal of mold front assembly, including the mold adapter. So it's time to remove the inner covers. This is called 5-bundle module board, and this is a module cover. And this is called electronics module cover. So the reason is quite simple. It's quite cut and dry. There's a 5-bundle inside here, and there's some electronics related stuff inside here. So that's the reason why they have their these names. To remove these inner covers, you should remove the 4 screws and 4 of these screws using a 2.5 hex key. So starting from here. So after removing all these 8 screws, lift this up, but just one tip here. is to, for the five bundle model cover, start from the behind. So like this, and then lift it up so that you don't scratch the five bundle. And this one, just lift it up simply. Now after removing the inner covers, it's time to remove the bottom cover. To do that, you have to remove this so-called fit and then 4 screws. To remove the fit, just simply use your hands. And then to remove this 4 screws, use 2.5 hex key. So now I've just removed the fur feet and the screws. So it's time to remove the bottom cover. To do that, just simply get this inner part out from the bottom cover. But one thing to note here is just be really careful of this cable because it might get broken on its way out. So just one hand here, one hand here. Just lift it up a little bit. Be careful of the cable. Come here, please. That's it. This is our bottom cover. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in our next video.